Good evening, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. And we just got through with another Sunday night coaching series. So I'm here to report. I'm here to drop the link to the live Instagram that we had on the comments down in the description so that you can go and check it out. Tonight, we cover more so what I consider that next level investing. And when I say that next level is, I consider almost a graduating levels of. As a new investor, as a new entrepreneur coming into the mobile home industry, you come into more maybe a wholesale, a quick flip. Maybe you buy one, rehab it, put it on the market to rent it, rent to own, create a note. All these are different little levels that you start coming in. Wholesale is big starting out for most people, but not something you have to start out with. After you do these, you can keep going into more creative financing, Airbnbs, Section 8s, veteran assistant housing, elderly housing, which is more for handicap in a sense. There's also weekly stays, monthly stays. Yes, all these things are being done inside of mobile homes. Now, every one of those that I'm listing is a stream of passive income. So when you think about how do I diversify, you can do so much diversification within the mobile home industry if you will follow these exit strategies, another exit strategy. And in tonight's call with the coaching, it's that next level of it. So now it's how do I convert a mobile home, personal property, into real property, real estate. You can do so if you have a piece of land, piece of real estate. Obviously, there's a lot that goes in there. It's got to be zoned for. You got to go through the building inspectors, the tax assessors. Look, there's a lot of hands involved, but it's not to scare you. These are the things that you can do, and profit-wise can be very, very good for you. ROIs, definitely check out in something like that. Again, different level of investing. Mr. Robert went a little more deep into details, how to find some of these land deals, how to negotiate. Okay, that's it's always a huge plus. Can you subdivide land? Can you move certain mobile homes? Is there certain traditional or normal lending for some of these mobile homes? All these things that you need to know. And that's what we're doing this coaching for, is to inform you to the best of our ability with the latest and the greatest information. Because look, the mobile home industry, it's growing. 7 years ago when I got started, there was nobody doing it. And the people that were doing it were very low key. I invest in mobile homes. I just don't want nobody to know, kind of thing. That's not the case today. Mobile homes are booming, and there's a need for it because there's a need and demand for affordability housing. So what happens is more people are getting into this. Our industry is growing. It's not to scare anybody or make you think there's too much competition. It's too congested. I look at it as one more person getting into this industry is one more person I can do business with, one more person I can talk to, because mobile homes are still very low key, even though they're much bigger and greater. You can still visit many local RIAs and you can start talking about mobile homes and people look at you like you speak alien. So it's still very random but it's coming along. And that's what we're here to add value. These costs don't cost you anything. We're doing this out of our kindness of our hearts to come on here. It is Sunday night, 8 p.m., but we want to come on here. We want to share details. We want to share tips, experiences. It's always learning. Always learning is like, and we learn best from our mistakes, but it doesn't have to be your mistake. You can learn from that guy or that lady or that gentleman or whoever it may be who unfortunately had this issue. What can I do to not run into that? Or if I run into that, how can I overcome it? Quicker, better, easier. Get advice. Okay, that's what we're here. So check out the description the link in the description. Go click on it. It is live replay on our Instagram. And don't forget, every Sunday, 8 p.m. EST time, live on the same back channel. Thank you for watching.